Happy summer! Welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. I'm here at the Arroyo High School Farm Lab, and today we're going to talk about tomatoes, one of my favorite summer crops. So tomatoes, if you've grown them before, you will know that they grow really fast and they get really big. So I'm going to show you some techniques to prune your tomatoes that will help reduce disease, give you a larger yields, meaning more tomatoes, and it'll be easier to harvest. So the first thing you're going to need for your tomato plant is some sort of trellis or something for it to hold on to, because tomatoes, like a lot of summer veggies, are vines. So the idea is to make it easier for you to harvest. You want the tomato plant to grow up through the middle of the trellis and then lay down its vines over the side, so that way when you harvest, it'll be right on the outside, easy to pick. If you just leave it in a big bush, it'll still produce, but you'll have to dig around for the tomatoes, and they'll probably end up on the ground, and the bugs will probably get them before you do. So, trellising your tomato plants. I like to use these trellises that have these little snaps. There's lots of different kinds of trellises. You don't even have to buy them. You could make your own with some sticks and some string. But I buy these ones because I reuse them every year, and they have these cool little snaps that I can just snap on and then snap them off when I want to harvest. So here is our young tomato plant. I'd say this one is a few months old now. You'll notice that when they're young, they grow kind of slow, but when they get about 18 inches tall, they sort of explode with growth. Oh, hi, Oreo. This is Oreo. He's my garden helper. And so after that 18 inches, they're going to grow like 15 inches a day. So they're going to get really big, and they're almost, I've heard them called, they're like a powerhouse of photosynthesis and sugar production. So because they can grow so fast and produce so much in such a short amount of time. So in order to have a healthier plant, just like we pruned our fruit trees, we're going to prune the branches off the base of the plant. And we're going to try and create one main stem that goes up the middle and comes out the side. So I'm going to pick a couple main stems here. I've got about 6 main stems. I want to get it down to 3. So I'm going to cut off any branches that are coming off the side of the base. Got a few here, and it's okay if it has a flower on it or a fruit on it. Your tomato plant will produce more fruit than you can probably eat this summer. And by pruning them, they're going to produce bigger, sweeter, tastier fruits. All right, so I've got, let's see, one here. I'm going to cut one from the side. Oreo is eating a string bean that he found on the ground, which is good. I like string beans too. Oh, this one was a little big that I cut, but that's okay. It will grow back. Okay, so now I've got 3 main stems. I'm going to snap my trellis back together here. Here they are. Okay, so now all the tomato branches are coming up through the middle. They're going to start producing, and then they're going to trail over the sides. The base of the vine will start to die off and turn brown, and the new growth in the fruits will be on the tips on the outside, so they're really easy to pick. So I hope this helped you with your tomato gardening, and if you have more questions about how to take care of tomato plants or maybe growing tomatoes upside down, there's lots of fun ways to do it. Feel free to contact us on our website, ecoUrbanGardens.org, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye!